Hello world, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to explore the top 5 Webflow shortcuts that save me countless hours in dev time. These shortcuts, when utilized properly, speed up lots of insignificant time-consuming processes in Webflow. Let's get right into it. Our first shortcut is to simplify something that you're always clicking on as a Webflow developer, which is of course the preview button. You're always checking out your changes with the preview of a site, so a shortcut like this one is going to make that much easier. Just hit Command-Shift-P anytime you want to switch in and out of preview mode. This applies to when you're editing anything. It doesn't just have to be in the canvas right here. Even if you switch to the interactions panel and you go into any animation, when you hit Command-Shift-P, it'll bring you right to preview mode. Designing websites in 2023 means designing responsive websites. And in Webflow, developing for different breakpoints is possible through the buttons at the top of the screen. One simple way to switch between breakpoints is to hit the numbers 1 through 4. 1 is for desktop mode, 2 is for tablet, 3 is for the landscape version of a phone, and 4 is for the portrait version of the phone. Now, these numbers only apply to the default breakpoints. If you decide to add a larger breakpoint, that largest corresponds to 1. So in this case, the breakpoint for 1280 pixels would be 1, 2 would be desktop, and so on. Bringing elements into the canvas can quickly become a daunting task. Having to search through the add panel and dragging the element in one by one is very repetitive. Webflow's shortcut to speed up this process is by using Command or Control E. This brings up a search box on the screen where you simply type in the name of the element that you want, and it will be dropped in to the container that you select. You can even bring in layouts and customize them to your heart's content. Designing always means changing countless properties to one value, then another, and then back to the first. But resetting properties to their original value is tedious, and typing in auto each and every time is not fun at all. Luckily, Webflow allows you to simply hit Option or Alt and then click on the property, and it will reset to its default value. This is especially useful when messing around with things like position, as this takes multiple tries to get perfect, and going back to default values can be a good starting point. A lot of the times, padding or margin that is applied to one side is applied to the opposite side as well. Going in and typing in these values for both sides isn't very efficient. Instead, you can simply hold Alt or Option and drag to increase or decrease your padding or margin for both sides at once. You can even hold down Alt or Option and then Shift and drag to increase the padding or margin on all sides. That's all for this video, guys. Let me know what you think in the comments down below, like if you enjoyed this, and subscribe for more content. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!